lava, my name is Loheni-Stancil, and today I will be doing a cultural refresh on the Nifo Oti from my 10 years experience in practicing Siva whaataupo. The origins of the Nifo Oti can be traced back to the 19th century when European whalers and entrepreneurs settled on our islands. And this came with the introduction of the steel blubber knife and cane knife, which ultimately inspired the invention of the Nifo Oti. On one side, there is a serrated edge with a hook, and on the other is a smooth-edged blade. So the meaning of the Nifo Oti has been a topic of debate for quite some time. It can be misconstrued to mean tooth of death. However, the Nifo Oti is actually attributed to the goat's horn, as goats were introduced at the same time as blades were in Samoa. More often than not, you will see a taupo enter her tawalunga with a Nifo Oti. And this can go one of two ways. Some will enter and immediately place the Nifo Oti on the ground. Some will attempt to spin the knife and emanate that of the warriors who use this as a weapon. The technique used when spinning the Nifo Oti is a full 360 circular motion, and there are differences between Sivafi spinning and Siva whaataupo spinning. So with Sivafi, it is a lot more fast-paced. With Siva taupo, it is a lot more slower paced. However, I believe it still has the same effect. So the basic spin is a 360 circular motion, but there are different variations of that. You can throw it in the back, you can throw it with one hand, you can throw it under your leg, you can throw it over your neck. I absolutely think that the Nifo Oti holds mana. The Nifo Oti itself is deeply rooted in sacrifice and service. And I believe these values are channeled through the Nifo Oti when you spin it. And I can say that for myself, when I spin the Nifo Oti, I can feel the struggle of my ancestors, and I can also feel the triumph. And that's what the tawalunga and the addition of the Nifo Oti is all about.